Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. Today it's going to be another car review, but I deleted my last one because I had sold that car, the VS Monroe, we called it Monroe, and now I've got a different one, and it's a 1992 or 91, not quite sure, but I'll have to check the registration paper. There's actually none because it's not registered, never mind. So yeah, here's the car. It's an executive. Yeah. It is really dirty, as you can see. There is some rust holes. I'm pretty sure they're up here. Yep, right there and there. And I'll pop the hood because there is some in there. Yep, so and it's also in the badge, which I've never seen before, which I find pretty cool. And it's just a key. No, it's not. It's not it either. This is actually kind of embarrassing. But I can't go off. There we go. Yeah, as you can see, got a bunch in the hood. In the trunk actually, I meant. Hopefully you could see them because I've got it on the other way. It did have this on the mat here, which I took out because I didn't really like how it looked. There is some rust there and stuff. It did come with 3 stickers on it, so pretty. Fuck that shit. That closed. It has an Aussie oi sticker, which I actually really like. And then because the reason why I did that is because I'm opening up the door again. The door handle gets stuck, so I just got to do that. It came with a Beats sticker, I'm pretty sure. I almost dropped my phone then. A Beats sticker. And an Adidas sticker. I don't really like the Beats or the Adidas, because the Beats kind of looks like a Target one, which sucks. And it has 100,072 Ks on it, which is actually alright for how old the car is. So the aircon only works on 4, which in Australia that's not enough. And it's like my dad's VS. He has a V8 VS U. I'm not sure if it's an executive. I don't think they came out with executives, the claims and stat in the Ute. This is a different key. It's not like my other one. So yeah, it's actually like different, like the handle bit. It's actually got a circle right on there where the keychain thing's in. And I'm not sure what this one's for. Pretty sure it might be. No, it definitely won't be a backup key. Yeah, not a backup key. This one actually has a horn. Yeah, my last one didn't, unfortunately. And yeah, I'm gonna give it a rev to see what it sounds. Well, I'm just gonna give you how it sounds like now. That, and you can hear it from in here. Just like that. And I'm gonna see you on the next clip when I'm giving it a rev. Okay, I'm gonna give it a rev now, guys. So yeah, that was the rev. I might be getting a system for it soon, so maybe Christmas. Can you shut the fuck up, plane, please? And the power, I've got power mirrors like my VS, which I didn't show. It does have windies, unfortunately. So, yeah, that's about it. This roof's not sagged like the other. Like mine was like really bad. It was like sticking down. fuck, that's a long plane. Like this part of this was like down here. It was really low. So like you could see it through the window, but you can't see the windows are tinted, which I like. So yeah, that's. I'll give you a look at the hood. I meant under the hood. Let me just find the thing. So something that I've noticed about the VP motors, the motor is really far back, but that doesn't bother me. So yeah, I don't really care, to be honest. I might get a pod air filter. I don't know yet. There we go. It's also got the see-through grill. You can see it there. And yeah, it's white, and I think you already knew that. It's kind of stupid. And it does have 18-inch wheels, which I'm putting VEs on it, black VEs. I'm putting one on, just to see if I like the way they look. Is the key still in there? Yep. So yeah, I hope I'm going to be putting them on tomorrow. So yeah, see you in the next video. I hope you liked it. If you did, like, comment, subscribe, and share. So I'll see you in the next one. Have a good one.